There are two kind of negative impact on person's health. We call it one psychological health and one is physical health. If we talk about psychological health, even if you watch out a person who is obese, many times they got a psychological inhibitions. They are not easily welcomed into society. One person who sees them, they always are worried about when they're walking out with the clothing, finding out with a large clothing, or some kid sees them, they say, oh, look at this guy. So that is a health impact that they have, obese person who is having on their life. Now we talk about physical. So physically there are multiple issues have been there. I discussed earlier in a small brief about it. So when your weight starts gaining, you can have a hypertension because your heart has to pump more blood for the whole supplying of the whole body circumference, whole body area. Second is your requirement day-to-day activity is high, so your insulin may not sufficient enough, so you end up getting a diabetes. At the same time, when your heart is working more with a hypertension or high blood pressure, you may end up getting some kind of cardiac disease. These kind of people, many times they have a breathing difficulty. So when they have breathing difficulty, they are difficult environment. In the night, they usually get up with the air hunger, or when they are sleeping, they cannot lie flat on the bed. So they have to actually sleep in a sitting postures. So we call that obstructive sleep apnea. Third, they can have something like a backache because of high weight they've been carrying every day. Joint pains, they have got a difficulty and difficulty in walking around and finding out knees have been giving away. Certain young females who have been obese, they found to be having a disbalance between the hormonal levels in the body, which leads to irregular periods and difficulty in conceiving post marriage. So these things are a common thing which has been found. People who have been obese, they were found to be having some thyroid abnormalities, or people having finding out incontinence in urine, or having difficulty in all routine day-to-day activity. So these are the negative impacts if I talk about obesity on a one person's life and health.